What's up guys? For today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix the Ubisoft Connect Runtime Error in your NVIDIA GeForce NOW. So, since I am working on my MacBook, this won't work, but if you're using Windows 10, Windows 7 or above, I will be showing you this easy step in order to fix your error in your Ubisoft GeForce NVIDIA. So as you can see here clearly, first off, you want to do is if you have downloaded your NVIDIA and Ubisoft, make sure that you have clear it and all the cache files under it. So first step is click on the Windows button and the R. That should pop up the device manager, and then type in this up. Just type it in or copy paste it from the link that I will post below this video. It's ampersand local app data and then a %. And then once you have clicked that, under the folder that would pop up, delete the Ubisoft game launcher. That's a folder, and then make sure to delete it, and then proceed to finding the NVIDIA folder. And then once you click on that, click on GeForce NOW, and then once you're inside that, search for chef cache, and then delete that. Delete this chef cache, since we want to delete all your cache files. And then if that doesn't work still, your second option is go to changing your server. And first step is open your GeForce NOW app, the Ubisoft or NVIDIA app, and then click on the 3 horizontal lines on upper left corner of your app, and then under settings, find the server location. And then once you're in server location, which by the way would appear down below, so you have to scroll down, and then you have to change your server option to TR West 1. Make sure that this is clicked or chosen, and then you're good to go. You can exit. If those two steps don't work, your last and third remaining step would be uninstalling and reinstalling your NVIDIA, GeForce, or your Ubisoft. And then that should fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching.